UFC number 2 ranked light heavyweight contender Jiri Prohaska, who was also the backup fighter for the main event fight between Glover Teixeira and Jan Blachowicz at UFC 267 in Fight Island, appeared for an interview where he was asked about his current status, is he going to fight for the title next, and his response to the disrespectful comment made by number 3 rank UFC light heavyweight contender Alexander Rakic. He said that I don't know about that. My manager has asked UFC for the confirmation if I am going to fight for the title next. Dana White was asked as well this week this question, and it seems likely that he is going to fight for the title. But his management has not been informed of this yet. But Dana White's answer was not 100% committal. He said that it seems like so. So he said that I have asked for confirmation and we haven't received it yet. If I am getting for the title fight after 9-month or 10-month layoff, I can wait. It will give me enough time to prepare for that fight. Or if it's longer than that, then I can fight in between. Anybody if UFC is going to offer me. Then he was asked about Alexander Rakic and his disrespectful comment. You have to know that Alexander Rakic has been calling out Jiri Prohaska for months after his fight against Dominic Reyes because he completely understands the UFC operational procedure. If somebody gets the highlight win for 2 and 3 wins times a row, then they are always pushed for the title. But the thing with Jiri Prohaska is that this guy is real and he has shown that in his 2 fights with UFC. He has won in dominant fashion and highlight reel knockout against 2 high level, high ranked opponents like Volkan Ozdemir and former title challenger Dominic Reyes. Both of the fight were main event and none of the fight lasted more than 3 rounds. In those fights, he showed that he can take a punch, he can dish some punishment to the fighter, and when it comes to controlling the chaos and creating mayhem, he is the best person to do that. So speaking about Alexander Rakic, he said that I think it was really disrespectful, the comments made by him. I am a warrior, I'm a samurai, I live like that, and I'm fighting to fight people like that, people who respect fighting. And warriors, the real fighters, they don't do that. They don't trash people, they don't talk shit. I'm done responding to him. I'm not going to answer him anymore. I'm not going to pay any attention to him whatsoever. If you want my response, I have no response. He's a trash. I'm not here to fight a guy like him. I'm here to fight warriors. And I'm not going to avoid anybody UFC is going to put in front of me, whether it's Alexander Rakic or somebody else. I'm here to fight and be the best, and I believe that I am the best. He has always been very respectful toward Alexander Rakic. And 2 weeks ago, he also responded to Alexander Rakic comments. He said that he has to understand that I have been offered to fight for UFC title. If he was offered the same, he would have done the same thing. So he has to understand and respect that. I have to prepare for my title fight. Everybody is here for that, to fight for the UFC title. How could I deny that if it is offered to me? Then he was asked about Alexander Rakic saying that he denied the fights 2 days ago. He said that that fight was never offered to me. He's lying. Because I asked my manager, he said that nobody contacted him with UFC saying that he has to fight Alexander Rakic. If it was offered to me, I would have. I have never denied a fight. Why would I? I'm a fighter. I'm a warrior. And it's not that he's lying. In the 2 fights that he had in UFC, he has fought the guy who was ranked number 5 and ranked number 1. So let's see how this plays out, and thanks for watching this video. I'll keep updating more, and please subscribe.